on, gang? Welcome back, man, to the channel. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're an idiot. Get subscribed. Shout out to Aiden, man. Listen, today we're going to the track, man. I'm in the chat. Hi there. Oh yeah, racing. Sure.
$40.
All right. Where's the tech card at? Where's tech at? Oh, no, I'm talking about the tech. Where I go?
Oh, it's staging.
Okay.
There you go.
All right, thank you. All right, staging lanes. Oh man, I almost hit my man. All right, man, thank you. I'm sweating, man. I gotta take my jacket off. First time at the track. Put my shit on. Come on, buddy. Got me up. We gonna run in this. We gonna run it in full sport mode. No traction off. Tire pressure set to tire pressure set crazy high right now, 33. Probably gonna spin. I'm not even about to go through the. I can't avoid the water box. Yes, I can. We'll try to avoid the water box. I don't need it. You know what? Let me get some water going. I get in the water box, man. I get in the water box, do a little Bernie. Look, he got me. All right, thank you. Burn the tires off a little bit. Just get a little smoke. Line up straight. Oh, straight past the staging lane. Woo! It's been a minute, boys. It's been a minute. First time at the track with the car, lining up. Trick the second beam. Let's get it. God, that had a terrible start. Oh, I'm so sorry. Look at that. Well, first time at the track, that was a total epic fail. The track is super sticky. I did not spin. I didn't know. I probably could have broken an axle, but we didn't. Car shook like crazy, man. Then lost my damn camera. Oh, that was bad. That was pretty bad. I'm so sorry. I apologize. That was really bad. I didn't know the track would be that sticky. I was expecting some wheel spin, but all right. I dig it. I tried to like spin out of it, but it wasn't spinning. I just kept bouncing. Luckily, I didn't break anything. All right, thank you. Is this me? No. Oh. Okay, yeah. All right. Yeah, 14.5. 14.5 at 98. 64 is a 2.4. Oh my gosh. I so sorry. I just got that on camera. I don't know how to get back in the staging lane. Damn, there's a McLaren out there. Wow, that was really bad. 14.5, first time out. Track was about sticky as fuck. I mean, I guess that's a good thing, right? You want the track to be... You want the track to have some type of girth on it, you know what I'm saying? But damn. Let me get back in line, man. I gotta redeem myself. Did not know the track was that sticky, so we'll run it back. 14.5 at 98 miles an hour was my first time running this car. And if I do another one of those, it's gonna be my last, I tell you that. Golly. I might leave in a broken axle around this boy messing around. I wanna know what's done with that. What was that? A Lincoln Town Car? And he gotta have some type of nitrous. That boy took off. We were tied at the 60, tied at the 330 mark. He was 0.3 quicker at the 8th. And then he just took off. I wonder if he's got nitrous in there. He did a 13.8 at 107. Damn. All right. Well, back in line, man. Let's get it. Round 2. All right. First run was terrible. I'm not gonna leave as hard since the track is biting tonight. The track is, man, I almost broke an axle. The track is biting tonight, so I'm gonna try to leave soft. I might not even rev it. I might just go. Looks like I messed up with the Toyota Tundra. Now, if I lose to this Tundra, we're gonna have some issues. I'm taking this car back. If I lose to a damn Tundra, I'm taking this back. Hey, Buckeye, Chrysler Dodge Ram, if I lose to this Tundra, y'all taking this right back. Roll these windows up. Tire pressure still at 32. No need to really lower it. If I was in my Mustang, I would, but the sidewall on these are so short. It's a street tire. It's not really made for this anyway, and I'm not making that much fucking power, so. Get up in these boxes. Oh, that was terrible. That was terrible. That was a terrible burnout. Just tripped both beams. 1500 RPM leave. Felt better. I'm having this sport mode. Oh my goodness. I just lost. I just got smoked by a Toyota Tundra. I just got smoked by a Toyota Tundra. I wasn't even in sport mode, man. All right. I'm looking like a rookie right now on camera. I haven't raced in, man. I haven't been to the track since 2020. 14.4. I did better. 14.4. I should be able to get in the 13s with this car. I don't care if it's got 100,000 miles. We're about to run it again. One more run in. About to leave it on sport mode. and see if that changes anything. Guys, I just ran a 14.4. This car, it should be in the 13s. Now, Google said 13.2, but I'm pretty sure it was brand new, and I'm pretty sure it was automatic. I'm running a second slower than that. I might not even upload this video. This is really bad. I'm embarrassing myself. Back in lines, let's get it. One more run and I'm gonna wrap it up. The car has not cooled down. Just got done from my last run. My sport mode's on. I can't fully cut off traction control, apparently. I guess sport mode just reduces traction control, but it doesn't fully cut it off, is what my understanding is. I should be in the 13s this run. Sport mode's on. I know how to launch better. The second launch wasn't that good. Now the car does have launch control, but I haven't used it enough to feel confident using it at the track. I gotta do some more testing. I did some like not yesterday, like a few days ago. I was messing around with it, but I still don't feel super confident putting that on camera. Y'all don't want to see that. Oh. Tire pressure still kind of high, 34, 32. There we go. That felt better. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. Literally just ate his face. I don't know what I just did. Oh, that fuck. I gotta get my start down, man. That's the whole race. That's what I like about dig racing. Like you gotta know what the fuck you're doing. And if you don't, you're fucking toast. Like I think I should have beat that car, but he got a better start than me. He's probably had that car at the track years and years and years. 14! Okay, that's what I'm telling you, bro. When I get this 60 foot was a 2-1, and that was a terrible 60 foot. Hold on, man, hold on. 14 seconds. Stop talking to me, man. I got 100,000 miles on my shit. Hold on, man. I gotta review my shit. I wonder if they're gonna let me run again. It's hot though. Oh, if I'm this close, I gotta get one more run in, man. Hold on, they gonna let me run again? Or are they killing it? Are they cutting it off? I don't know if I might be supposed to ride through this or not. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, I gotta go one more time, man. 14:01, 99 miles an hour. So I picked up, where my sheet at? Hold on. I picked up almost 2 miles an hour. Hold on, I'm gonna go back in line, man. That boy was shifting, huh? Shifting was a little weak. I picked up almost 2 miles an hour, really one. We can call it one, a full 1 an hour. 14:01. 64 was a 2.1. 2.1 seconds. 330 was 5.9. Hold on, there's a lot of people looking at me now. They're like, damn, what did he just run? 1,000 at the 1,000. I was 11.7 at the 1,000 feet mark. 14.0. And the guy ran a 15.0. The guy next to me ran a 15.0. I knew I was faster than that car by 1 second, but he got down before me. So. Oh, oops. All right, so yeah, so this one's even worse. This sheet's even worse. 15 seconds. It's 15 seconds. 2.8 60 foot. I was reading the wrong damn column. I was reading the wrong column, man. 15 seconds I just did. Same mile an hour, but almost a second slower. 60 foot was a 2.8. At the 330, I was 6.8. At the 8th, I was 10 seconds. 1,000, I was 1274. And quarter mile, 1505 at 98 miles an hour. Good Lord. I don't think I'm gonna put this video out, man. Fuck. All right, y'all, so that last run I did terrible. It did like a 14.4. That was my best run of the day. It's like 1:30 now, it's still hot, middle of the day. I'm not gonna get any faster. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home, get a tune on this thing, maybe some headers, come back and try and get to the 13s. We're gonna see what's up. What y'all think? I can get to the 13s, I think. I gotta get better at the start, and I gotta get some more power in this thing, but I think that was cool for the first run. So we're gonna get it in. Make sure you guys stay tuned, lock in with me.